Hey guys, what's up? I finally finished painting my friend's skateboard deck. If you want to see how I did this, I'll go through the entire process. I think it's going to be kind of hard to follow exactly what I'm doing. So in the description below, I put the process that I used. This is the first time I'm ever doing it though, so everything I learned is just off of various YouTube videos and stuff online. So if you try it out and it doesn't work out, sorry about it. There's the skateboard back here. Should we show them?
Yeah, you can show. My friend gave me this sticker. This was a used skateboard as well, so this, has a history. Someone skated.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this in white. No, first we have to sandpaper it, cover it in white paint. That's pretty much it.
Or you could do black and then white marker.
This is the artistic process.
This creative directing here. I pitch a few ideas, she pitches.
I usually shut down her ideas. TBH.
Okay, just kidding. It's pretty rude.
We're working on the first step. We're sandpapering off the original design. Show us your tool. Yes. Go at it at a spot. Let me show everybody.
Wow.
So here's Nitty working so hard.
Okay.
Right now I'm trying to disassemble this board. I've never done this before.
Daisy, I'm more interested in Daisy.
Wheelless. What I'm gonna do today is try to get all of this design off. Nitty and I did most of it a couple days ago, but I have to do the rest today. I have my glasses and I have my mask so I don't get any of the paint dust inside of me. I think I successfully took off the original design. It's still pink, but I don't think I can get rid of that unless I take off like a whole thick layer of the board, and I don't want to do that. It's pretty like dusty. So I'm gonna take these fragrance-free baby wipes. They're slightly damp but not overly. And I'm just gonna wipe it down. Now all it has to do is dry so I can paint a base coat tomorrow. I am going to apply the base coat today. I was originally gonna do a white base coat, but then I decided I think I want to do black. I'm doing 3 coats. I'm using a small mistake and I kind of forgot for a moment that I was supposed to be making a YouTube video, so I did not catch this footage. The reason why this is empty is because the wheels go here. I got a lot done without filming it, unfortunately. I thought I was just gonna do some detailed work, but it ended up making it look a lot more complete, and I think I made a lot of progress. Let me show you. I added a lot of detailing to the pipes. I colored in all of the flowers, but I completed it and I was like, it looks empty, so I added some more. Officially done. No, I am done. I'm done. I like the way it looks. And I still had to varnish it, so I'm not completely done. But here is what I have so far. I'm gonna sign it now. Usually I do my full signature, but I think I'm gonna just put my initials. Now I'm parked outside of Lowe's because I need to get a spray-on varnish for the board. If I just give it to her as is, it's probably going to get completely destroyed because there's no protection over it when she's doing all of her skateboard stuff. Just got back from Lowe's and this is what I bought. So I'm gonna go home, try this out. I didn't film myself doing the varnish spray because I wanted to really concentrate while I did it. Unfortunately, the varnishing didn't go as well as I would have liked. It's completely fine. I think it's functional. It works. But it's a little bit uneven. I looked it up and it might have been because there was a bit of uneven wind. So some of the layers went on lighter than it should have. So some of the portions of the board are super glossy and super shiny and smooth to the touch, and then other parts are a bit grainy and looks a little dusty. I don't mind the dusty look. I actually think it looks kind of cute. For sure, when you run your hands over it, you can tell where the texture is a little different, but I have to stop spraying the clear coat on. I think I'm doing too much.